Hey everyone! Today's video is a game changer. I'm revealing a 10 million Canada email database that'll supercharge your marketing. This isn't just a random list. It's verified, GDPR compliant, and scrubbed monthly for a less than 2% bounce rate. Translation: your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. Here's why you need it: bulk emailing to thousands in minutes. Hyper-targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram using custom audiences, and market research to crack Canadian buying habits. You'll also have access to 1 million USA email database and 154,000 Canada email database will be given free of charge. Email marketing is still king. It's personal, affordable, and gives you a 42 ROI for every $1 spent. Okay, so how to start? Go to payhip.com/socialexperts1. Then find the Canada email package and grab the list. You can use tools like Mailchimp to automate campaigns. Pro tip: test small segments first, then scale what works. This list is your shortcut to 10 million Canadian buyers. Click the link now, and if you need help, my email's in the description. Thanks for watching, and go crush those campaigns.